So hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I've posted any videos in this channel. I was busy with my own work, so I've seen that many of you guys are watching my videos, but what do none of you guys are supporting my channel? That's alright, let's see. So I got a lot of views in my what's inside video for that amplifier, as well as I've seen that many of you guys found it helpful with my how to fix power bank video, but none of you guys are considering to subscribe my channel. That's alright. So here's another video on how to fix an HP laptop which is having a battery problem or whatsoever it is. Let's see how you can open it, fix stuff, change things in it. Simple. Let's watch the video. Remove the two rubber paddings at the bottom side of the laptop. There you can find 4 screws. Remove them. Be gentle with the rubber paddings as these can be stretched and impossible to refix, so be gentle with it. These screws are Phillips head screws. You can use a small Phillips head screwdriver to remove all these 4 screws. After removing the 4 screws, you can use some sort of like a credit card or something to pry apart the top bezel from the bottom cover. Be gentle. There are a lot of flex cables underneath which you can crack if you are not being gentle with the laptop. Plus, the laptop is made up of plastic. Using metal prying tools can cause damage to the plastic body. Here I got no other chance, that's why I'm using a knife. So you gotta be gentle with it or else the bezels will get jagged up. I will leave the links below for the prying tools and other things you can use to open this. It used to have a removable battery. Now you can see that it's running on a lithium polymer battery with an inbuilt battery which no other way an end user can replace without having special tools. That battery is of a high capacity battery. If punctured can highly cause a fire as well as damaging the entire laptops. Doing this on your own renders the warranty useless. As you can see, there is just a single RAM slot and the board do have another higher end models having heat sinks and all, but this model does not have any heat sinks, no fan, no nothing. It's just passive cooled. It's a passive cooled laptops. That's hard disk over there. You can replace it by removing those two screws. This battery can also be replaced this simply. I will show you how you can replace the battery in a few moments. See, removing all the screws can easily remove the battery, which you can replace all by yourself. If you can find a replacement battery for the same model, the RAM can be upgraded to about 8 to 16 gigabytes if you can find a single stick RAM only, because this is only having a DDR4 single slot. Everything in this laptop has been changed from the traditional model. Nothing is looking the similar. Everything has been shrink down to smaller so as to reduce the form factor as well as the size of the laptop. Getting a new battery, you can simply put it back by sliding it into place and putting or throwing all the screws back in. Setting all the screws back in, you can simply install the battery back in. Closing the laptop is just the opposite of removal. Put the bottom bezel back in, clip it in place, throw all the 4 screws in it. the rubber feeds back on, the laptop is ready to be turned on. Just make sure you have put back everything that has been removed from the laptop, as well as the battery, the RAM, everything, or else you have to go through all the assembling process to remove it and install it back. So let's see if this thing turns on or not. So pushing the power button, it takes a while to boot, as well as you can see that BIOS has been reset. It's prompting to enter F1 to enter into the BIOS to be resetted. You reset the BIOS, done. The laptop boots back in. Takes a while to boot back in. The initial boot do take a while. So here you can see that the laptop boots up. Simple. After that, you can change the battery with this process, the hard disk, the RAM, anything back can be changed and upgraded by following this tutorial. Please consider subscribing to my channel as well as watching all of my rest of my videos, and I do plan to upload a new video about home automation. If anybody is interested, please drop in the comments for the video. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing my channel. This here is my simple home automation system that I built using an Arduino. Can be programmed to control anything that you wish to control over the internet. Simply a web page module like this. It's a web server that you can use to control all of your electrical appliances from your mobile or laptop or computer, whatsoever that can access a web page can be used to control this home server. If anybody want to know how to make and control this unit, please drop down in the comments. I will upload the video as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.